How good is that? What is it?
Cut that too.
You did cut that.
I cut that as well.
Look at that. And it's just been shoehorned as we speak, isn't it?
Yes.
Welcome, Tony Gray. What have you been working on?
This. Because you said to me just after lunch, can you cut this body shell out to put on the HR-1 GT?
I know. So we're going backwards first. So that is a redesigned S65 GT8 body. And that is being
fully sick, bro.
It's just about being fitted, cut and fitted to the HR-1 GT8E. Now, if you watched last week's show, you would have seen that I did an unboxing.
We just got it in.
The GT8E conversion kit, and I showed you the HR-1 buggy. The HR-1 buggy does not exist anymore.
It's now this.
It is now
It is now changed.
Now that.
It's now changed. Now identifies as a GT8E.
Oh, it identifies it.
At the moment.
At the moment.
So it wasn't a lot of components that changed it, but it is totally different
now.
now.
Well, we saw the box. Exactly what we had to change.
What are you looking for?
I was looking for the box of the conversion kit.
It's
But nonetheless,
it's out on the counter.
I'm just going to get my little furry pointer here.
Yep. Point away.
And we can point away. So we're looking at the overhead. So we did change the front shock tower.
Yeah.
That's a nice carbon one. That's really
It's
cool.
beautiful. Look at it, about 5 mil thick.
Very thick.
Did change the shock absorbers. They've got these cute little on-road ones compared to the big 16 mil diameter. So still big chunk of munker. Have a look at these carbon plates on here. You might need to go to Zoomtown.
I don't know if we'll get in there.
Yeah.
I reckon you can get
from
in
the
there.
front's better.
I reckon you can get right in there.
Lift that up a little bit.
No.
Oh, the other angle.
What?
Lift it back in.
No.
No, can't see it.
Well, I don't think so. We've got these cool little carbon plates that bolt on the bottom of the shocks
Just take our word for it.
to get the geometry right on the. And look how wide. So it means the pivot point now is really wide out, which is good because it's actually on trend with like the touring cars and stuff, right? The MS1 and stuff like that. BJ's going into the, there we go. Look at that.
Zoom me away.
Look at that right in there. This little carbon fiber plate, 3 mil thick, and it screws through the lower shock position of the existing mount. Really nice, really secure. Mounted out wide.
Let's see if we can get some bit of lighting.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Is that better?
Quality
hang on, there's a
component.
There you go.
Beautiful. It's all carbon. Look at it. Beautiful carbon in there. Like I said, little 16 mil shocks. Really firm springs.
Did you say firm?
Towers. Yep, shock towers, bumper and body mats. That's it. So
And now look how it
fundamentally,
sits.
it's about 10 screws.
So low now.
Super low. And have a look at the back. At the back, we've got the chunk of munker body mount.
Yeah. That's firm as, isn't it?
It's
It's
really
like a
firm.
rock.
Yeah.
Yep, really firm. Again, we've got the shock tower, the small shocks, and of course, we've got that carbon fiber plate again on the rear, which goes out even wider on the rear. Can you get that in there? It's a big handful, isn't it? It's a big beast. It's a buxom.
Where am I going? Where am I going?
No,
It's sort of
I
hidden by the wheel, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can we? There we go.
There we go. It's in there.
Got horrible lighting. Oof! Look at
Oh,
that.
what am I looking at?
Tight like a tiger.
No idea.
Yeah, the lower shock
Oh, yeah.
mounts.
All
Yeah, it
right, we're a
doesn't
bit
matter.
tight there.
Anyway,
Take our word for it
but
again.
have a look. And so it is now transformed from an off-road buggy into an on-road weapon.
It was pretty good at the Velodrome in off-road buggy form.
Yes,
Now it's going to be better.
better
Oh,
up.
you can sort. I've got the reflection going there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It sort of extends into the wheel.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
into the wheel. Everything clears and that.
Yeah.
Really good. So that was a prototype kit. So hopefully we can get stock of it. I'm going to okay the final production. Hopefully we can get stock of it in the next week or two.
And then we'll have it
we can
available
go-
to anyone who wants to convert it.
So you
Yeah,
can
and
buy-
get ready to go to the
Buy
Velodrome.
yourself a HR-1 and convert it. So you've got basically 2 cars in one. So you buy yourself an off-road buggy, then you buy the kit, and then you can change it. Realistically, once the shocks are built, you could do the conversion in probably 15 to 20 minutes. So
And that's still got the small pinion on it.
And then we have got the bitty design.
Design shell with a big ass fat wing.
Yeah. Look at that. That is going to have some downforce.
Oh yeah.
And we know from the HB GT just how well this body does handle at high speed.
Stable as, isn't it?
It's really stable. We haven't been able to overpower it, and I don't think this one's going to be any different whatsoever. So TFG's working on this. We might get it painted up. Hopefully we can reveal it on next Friday's show. I'll have to get some stickers made for it as well.
Can we have it looking like it's on fire, or do we just set it alight?
No, we just set it on fire.
Let's just set it on
okay.
fire.
Yeah, it's much quicker.
No,
Okay.
it's going to be painted in the chrome silver with the teal stickers.
Oh, okay.
The ubiquitous paint job for here.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Unless I do it.
the quick paint job for here, unless TFG does
Because
it.
I'm not going to do it. 'Cause I don't-
Not another Velodrome one.
no.
Well, there's a lot of surface area here, isn't there?
Yeah.
Well, we've got that other one anyway. The rocket car.
Panda time.
Rocket car.
Mm.
That's
Panda
coming.
time.
That's going to come back out.
Yes.
Panda time.
So HR-1 is now a HR-1 GT8E. How good's that?
Ooh,
Looks aggressive.
Yes.
that'll be good.
Now we are talking
Oh,
about the
no, I
we are
like it.
talking about the Velodrome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Saturday, October 12,
Yep.
12 p.m. onwards.
Yep. We'll
Yeah?
be there. Yep.
We will be there.
So it's
12
not going to be only oval work. It's going
No.
to be central grass work as well.
Yeah.
With jumps.
track and field. Think of the Olympics.
Oh yes.
So you have stuff around going round and round the outside.
It's
We're
like,
gonna
it's like
have
the
some
decathlon,
lunacy.
but with 8 events not included.
Yes. We're going to have lunacy in the infield. Big
Yeah,
jumps.
Big ass jumps.
Right.
So we're going to be putting up a schedule hopefully on Wednesday.
Okay.
We're going to
Yeah.
have a timeline, some expectations. We're going to get the registry and the entry form out,
Mm.
start getting people's interest engaged up, and we will be able to send newsletters and upcoming details
Yep.
about what we're doing.
Hopefully,
Maybe even highlight some products like the GRPs, the big
Mm.
designs,
The stuff that we
Mindset
know are really
drivers.
handy to get
Yeah.
it all sorted.
big Aromax pinions,
Mm.
all that sort of stuff
Mm.
will be really handy come Velodrome Day.
That's it.
So it's going to be really good. Hopefully the weather's nice. We're going to have a sausage sizzle
Mm.
and a party. It's going to be an off-road RC festival.
Mm.
A festival.
A
That's
festival
That's
of
right.
biblical proportions.
Biblical.
You've been
And,
quiet.
Oh, that's all right, because you two won't shut up.
What else have you been working on?
My RS 1.0.
Oh, the
which
RS
I-
1.0.
which I've just finished building my first
And
one.
you actually did that. You told me on an overhead camera with time lapse.
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to that.
It's already up.
You put it up.
It's up on the Facebook page.
When did you put that up?
About 3 days ago.
What is?
He seen it.
What's that?
His time lapse build.
Yeah, I watched it.
Yeah, it was really boring, he said. But
No, it's cool. It's like time lapse, time
bang,
lapse,
bang,
time
bang,
lapse.
bang,
I
bang,
missed
Back
bang.
of his head, the side of his head.
Yeah, yeah, and the best thing is the last half hour of it, the camera battery went flat and I didn't realise, so you missed the last half hour. So you
Oh,
never
that's
get to see the end of it. But it doesn't matter.
You can miss that.
And that was done in my new shed.
Well,
The
maybe next Friday we can have a grand reveal.
Grand
first- I
reveal.
wouldn't get that excited about it. It's just me building a car.
I'm already excited.
Car.
Yeah, I want to see the car
No,
itself.
We'll see.
Mm.
We'll
So
see.
you've got the motor and the pinion and stuff sorted, and,
I should have everything ready by then, yeah.
Mm.
and then you're going to do yourself a special body.
Yeah, I've got something planned that's going to, if I can do it. I don't actually know if I can pull it off.
Ooh.
So
What?
that's how
I don't know about this combination of words going.
I know, was fairly deliberate.
What's
If anybody if anybody could pull it off,
Yeah, well, I always try.
yeah.